Bird's name means पक्षियों के नाम. English to Hindi with pictures and pronunciation.
Cockatoo. C-O-C-K-A-T-O-O. Cockatoo. Cockatoo means kakatua. Hen. H-E-R-O-N. Hen. Hen means bagula. Chakwa. Chakwa means reddy goose. Samundri kawa. Samundri kawa means peewit. Munia. Munia means thrush. Lava. Lava means lark. Guinea murga. Guinea murga means guinea fowl. Swallow. S-W-A-L-L-O-W. Swallow. Swallow means ababil. Samundri tota. Samundri tota means Atlantic puffin. Greater kukal. Greater kukal means greater kukal. Albatross pakchi. Albatross pakchi means albatross. Arctic tern. Arctic tern means Arctic tern. Tatak. Tatak means lark. Kalgi. Kalgi means plum. Hiramantota. Hiramantota means macaw. Havasil. Havasil means pelican. Chamarghenge. Chamarghenge means stork. Pitachtucky. Pitachtucky means canary. Jungly battak. Jungly battak means mallard. Khanjan. Khanjan means wagtail. Pankava. Pankava means cormorant. Gold crest. Gold crest means gold crest. Jal pakshi. Jal pakshi means loon. Bagula. Bagula means heron. Narbaj. Narbaj means turtle. Hudhud. Hudhud means hoopoe. Samundri gull या गंगा चिल्ली. समुद्री गल या गंगा चिल्ली means seagull. Kiwi pakshi. Kiwi pakshi means kiwi bird. Titahari. Titahari means sandpiper. पेरू पक्षी means turkey. Kalhans means goose. Kashika means our cat. Samundri Batak means eider. Neeli Chidiya means blue bird. Lal Chidiya means robin. Mohjal means skylark. Cardinal means cardinal. Polynesia tota means lorikeet. Token means token. छोटी गाने वाली चिड़िया means finch. Golden oriole means golden oriole. Kookaburra means kookaburra. Swift means swift. Trogon means trogon. Nuthatch means nuthatch. Amazonian motmot means Amazonian motmot. Waxwing means waxwing. Slaty tota means grey parrot. Kala drongo means black drongo. Tropic bird means tropic bird. Fairy bluebird means fairy bluebird. Blue throat means blue throat. Hodzin means hodzin. Lora means lora. Saddleback means saddleback. Wren means wren. गुच्छेदार चिड़िया means barbet.
तो हमारी आज की वीडियो अगर पसंद आई है तो लाइक ज़रूर करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना